So when it comes to dermaplaning and you're adding this to your practice, you're going to want to remember that every treatment enhancement that you do in your facial treatment, you want to increase your gross total sales, and you want to make it client-centered, and you want to make it a therapeutic treatment. And dermaplaning is the perfect service to add on and build systems into your normal protocol. If you are doing an enzyme or a peel or your traditional facial treatment that your client has an appointment for, but they want dermaplaning, you can easily grab your tool, insert that into the facial protocol, and depending on what you set your price at, mine is about $120, and it takes me 15 minutes. So for 15 minutes, I just added $120 to my service, and then all my other products are going to act like there are hero ingredients in the lineup, which there are, but they're going to be absorbed so much easier because you're removing a lot of that thicker keratinized buildup, but gently. So you have immediate glow, immediate increased absorption of the products. Their retail is going to behave differently because of the add-on. So if you think about your day and you have 4 to 6 to 7 facials, depending on how busy your practice is, you can add an easy $700, $800, $900 a day by making this a staple in your practice. Right now for me, it's a staple in my practice. This is my go-to treatment for just about everything. You can easily add on $500 a day just doing this, and it costs about $2 a treatment. So the blades themselves, if you're doing a signature Circadia facial, from beginning to end, it should cost you with dermaplaning between $11 and $13 to perform the whole treatment. So dermaplaning is a great treatment enhancement. It's amazing for profitability for your business, but the clients are also so incredibly happy. So it's a well-rounded, holistic experience for everyone, and it brings a lot of revenue to the business. When it comes to finding education, that's what we do best at Circadia. We created an entire platform of module education material. You can go to circadiau.com, and that's where our online certification for dermaplaning is hosted. So if you are an independent learner, you can log right on, learn at your own pace, and it's chapterized. So it's really broken down into these comprehensive modules for training. So you can go back if you want to just work on one area that you want to focus on. So the program itself is considered evergreen once you purchase it. And then we also have in-person options. So you can train in person. With your trainings, it comes, the course comes with a kit, it comes with a full 28-page manual, it comes with online video support. So whether you are in person or online, there are video part ones to the course, and it will show you beginning to end how to perform the treatment. So there are a lot of learning options, as well as one-on-one coaching. But if you want to get started, I would recommend go to circadiau.com, and then from there, you're going to be introduced to the products, the education, and then that just helps you get the ball rolling.